Hello everyone, Victor from OrganicChemistryTutor.com is here, and in this video I want to look at two types of reactions in organic chemistry: substitution and elimination reactions. In a substitution reaction, we are going to replace a part of our molecule with a different atom or a group. So for instance, in this case, I am replacing a bromine atom with an OH group. The part of the molecule that is leaving is called leaving group because it, leaves the molecule. And there are many different types of leaving groups in organic chemistry, but we will typically see a few most common ones. Those groups are things like halogens, like for instance Cl, Br, or iodine. Occasionally, we are going to see fluorine, but the thing is, fluorine is not a particularly good leaving group with the exception of a couple of very unique reactions, so normally we're not going to see that. We're also going to see groups like tosylate, mesylate, and triflate. And while you might and probably will see some other groups in the future, these 6 are going to be the most common ones you're going to encounter throughout your course. Now, elimination reaction, in contrast to a substitution reaction, is the one where we have a loss of a leaving group leading to a formation of a new pi bond. And here is something really important you want to keep in mind. Elimination reaction requires a loss of a leaving group, which is a bromine over here, in addition to another atom or a group on an adjacent carbon. So I have a hydrogen over here. So both of those guys gotta leave my molecule in order to form a pi bond. If I cannot eliminate 2 atoms or groups from my molecule, I cannot form a pi bond. So, for instance, let's look at this molecule over here. We have bromine as the leaving group in this case. However, while there are 2 adjacent atoms in this carbon with leaving group, let's call them pink and blue, we do have hydrogens on the blue atom, and we don't have anything on the pink atom as it already has 4 bonds. And remember, carbon can only make 4 bonds, so there are no implicit hydrogen on that carbon or anything else. Which means that I'm going to have only one direction in which we can form our double bond, and that is going to be towards the blue atom. Because if we make a double bond towards the pink atom or in the pink direction, we end up with a pentavalent carbon, which is sometimes called by its nickname of Texas carbon, and this is a huge no-no for us. There is no faster way to make your instructor furious than showing a Texas carbon on an exam, so don't do that. In the next few videos, I'm going to discuss the substitution reactions such as SN1 and SN2 and elimination reactions such as E1 and E2 in more details. They are all going to be placed in the same playlist, so make sure you give this video a like, telling me that you want to see those videos ASAP, and subscribe so you don't miss them. By the way, did you know that I have a complete set of study notes on substitution and elimination for sale on my website? You should check them out. Hope you are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.